In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books, specifically tailored for 2025. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's easy to follow and seamless for your operations. To start, we'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your finances and transactions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if this is your first time here. Now, on the dashboard, look for the highlighted area which allows us to access multiple functionalities. Click on this highlight to proceed. It's kind of like opening a door to a plethora of options that facilitate various transactions within Zoho Books. From here, what we're aiming to do is find the delivery notes section in the settings. Delivery notes play a crucial role in ensuring the correct items are delivered to the correct location, thus maintaining an efficient business flow. Once you've clicked on delivery notes, you'll see several fields that need to be configured. Let's go through them one by one for clarity. First, click on Document Title. This is where you'll assign a specific title to your delivery note, helping you keep your documents organized and easily searchable. Following that, focus on the date field. This is essential for maintaining accurate records of when each delivery is scheduled or completed. Next up is the description field. Consider this as your space to add any additional information that might be relevant to the delivery, whether that's specific instructions or a brief overview of the contents. Now let's move to the transaction number. Each delivery note should have a unique identifier, ensuring there's no mix-up between multiple deliveries. It acts as a safety net, so everything is accurately logged. Continuing down, we'll find the item field. This is where you specify what items are included in the delivery, giving clarity to both the sender and the receiver on what's expected. Following the item specifics, there's the quantity option. Here, confirm the number of each item being delivered. Double check this to prevent any discrepancies later on. Miscounts here can lead to significant issues such as stock shortages or excess inventory. The reference field is next, allowing you to connect this delivery note with other documents or projects, making cross-referencing much easier. For bill to and delivery to, ensure the addresses are accurate. These denote where the invoice is going and where the actual goods need to be delivered, which is critical for a smooth process. Double check these addresses to avoid any logistical headaches. Don't overlook customer notes, where you can input any specific instructions or messages meant for the customer. Finally, the signature field enables authorization and confirmation of the delivery, adding an extra layer of accountability. Once all these fields are filled out, take one last look over everything. If all appears correct, click Save to lock in your new delivery note. Congratulations, you've just created a delivery note in Zoho Books, ready to facilitate your next transaction. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Zoho Books experience.